Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Ghost with Lamp. And if you enjoy this process and you'd like to watch the full-length version of it, it is available to you on my YouTube channel, which is Michelle the Painter. I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable Halloween-inspired character, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.